Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to send USDT on TRC20 on Binance. So let's dive into it. So one of the best things to do is to make sure you log into your Binance account, then tap the wallet at the bottom right, then choose the wallet where your USDT is stored, and after that you have to select withdrawal. So type the USDT in the search bar and select it. Then from there you have to paste the receiver's wallet address and select the Tron, which is the TRC20 as the network, and type in the amount of USDT you want to send. Make sure you review the address, the network, and the fee. These three details are very important. Make sure you review the address, the network, and the fee, and after that you have to enter the code if required, then tap submit, and that's how you can easily send USDT on TRC20 using Binance. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more, friends.